Shoot! Check out this super slim UV pocket flashlight. In this video, we're going to see what we can possibly do with such a small UV flashlight. Please stay until the end of this video as I'll be giving this away to one lucky winner. So please don't forget to subscribe, smash that like button. Let's go! Big thanks to Gearlight for hooking me up with this UV flashlight to review and to give away to one of you as a thank you for the support. They also have a pretty good 1-year warranty from the purchase date, free replacement or full refund warranty card. This package features not one, but 2 UV flashlights. Okay, so this is the Gearlight S100 UV pocket flashlight. It has one UV LED with a wavelength at 390 nanometers. Even though it only has one UV LED, please be careful when using any UV flashlights. Avoid looking into the light. It's about 5¼ inches long and about a ½ inch in diameter. It's made with high quality aluminum, feels super lightweight, weighing in at about 2.4 ounces. It also has a removable clip so you can clip it in your pocket. The on and off switch feels pretty nice and firm. Let's check out the threading and the spring. Pretty smooth threading on this one, and the spring is also pretty firm, which is what you want in any UV flashlight. To power this UV flashlight, it takes 2 AAA batteries that aren't included. Make sure you put the batteries in positive side first. Runtime on this is about 6 hours. On the tip of the UV flashlight, it has a hot warning symbol. I saw some reviews on Amazon saying it gets super hot. So I left it on for a good 30 minutes and it's not hot at all. It's not even that warm. So if you run into this issue, I suggest returning it and getting a new one. Since it's basically a pocket-sized UV flashlight, its ideal use would be for checking out hotel bedrooms or bathrooms to check out how clean they are. Another good use case for this is for checking counterfeit money, or if you're a club bouncer, fake IDs. If you didn't know, real IDs have UV sensitive strips on them. In complete darkness, it actually does light up a bedroom. That is if you have UV sensitive material hanging around. You can easily detect pet stains or bodily fluids in complete darkness. It's not as strong with other ambient light on, which is normal for something this small. It's still possible, but not ideal. You can use these to charge up your glow-in-the-dark paint or glow-in-the-dark objects. Great for UV posters and UV paint. But if you're using it for UV paint, make sure it's only for the visible UV paint and not invisible paint. Since it's not true UV at 365 nanometer, it won't work well with invisible UV paint since it's not in the correct wavelength. So if you made it this far in this video and you want to enter in the giveaway for this Gearlight S100 UV pocket flashlight, then all you have to do is subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and leave a comment down below because I'll be using a comment generator to pick the winner. Good luck, thank you for watching, mahalo!